Howdy, y'all, Lone Star Rider here. We're picking things up with the U-Haul. Got some other things to do today. So this is vlog 42. Oh, it's spitting. Vlog 42. Where we going?
A couple different places.
U-Haul first. We're going U-Haul. Where we going?
U-Haul. Oh, you know
Yeah.
what? Hold on before we do that.
Uh-oh, we're backing up. We're not going to U-Haul.
Someone needs to get the hose and move it further down. There's too much water right there. It needs to be more down this way.
I can do that, I guess. I'm moving the water hose. Okay, we're back.
Oh, we're going to Grandma's.
Where are U-Haul?
We're at U-Haul.
We're at U-Haul.
People are speeding. I can't turn.
We're at U-Haul.
Go faster so I can make this.
We're at U-Haul. Oh my God! We're gonna die! Customer entrance. Oh, he needs out. Yeah! See ya. Alright. Rented a truck. Cost me $39 for 4 hours. Yeah.
More do you need to know?
This is an adjustable. Mirrors. Can I? Oh, it's got a spot mirror on it. Very good. One on the right does not. Why not? Change engine oil soon. That doesn't look good. Anyway, we're picking up a china cabinet that is going to my daughter's house, and then we're getting the bed there, which is going over to Robin's house. That's why we got the U-Haul today. Hey, what are you doing? Yeah. You remember this place? Turtles!
Turtle!
Come on, going in. There's Larry. Larry! Hey! He's looking at the camera.
Yeah.
Hey, back here. Hey, say hi. She's going, I don't want to do this.
I did.
Sweet home Alabama.
I was sleeping in the car.
I know, I saw you. You was having a good nap. Hey, Mustafa, where you at? Oh, you're with the baby. Okay. I have to take these 2 boxes here. What's that? Huh? It's a doggy?
Yeah.
Oh, a kitty. Kitty. Is it scared? And you're not supposed to be lifting very much, are you?
Nope.
Well, don't.
No.
Don't. We have to take the glass out.
Tell me, Joe, he's got a cat now.
Yeah, I saw in
You
the
got a
box.
cat?
Yeah, it's in a box. He has a cat in the box.
I had to come over here and help him get it out from underneath the dishwasher.
It's in a box?
Yeah, it's in a box right now.
Hose in it.
Why is it in a box?
It's a cat in the
But
box.
it's a little kitten.
Where's it at?
It's in the kitchen.
For real?
This is a nice little china cat. It's got a light too.
It's a baby.
Yeah, bag.
Take this cat with us. I was looking at the small cat.
Mustafa's like, don't bring a cat home, and I do. And then he's like,
No, I don't like the big one, but this
Yeah, but that one will get big.
it won't be.
He got bit trying to get him out.
You can put this cat away.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
Leave some of the kitty cup in.
Be careful. It's a baby kitty.
Check it out.
Nice and easy. Show Stuart. That's cool. You're loaded up with stuff, aren't you? Party! Party! Yeah, it's a camera. Decide. Right. Does this say party or fun day? That part there. Fun day or party? What do you think, Chris? Hey, you. Miss Meowie. Come on. Doggies. All right. She's wanting to push buttons.
Watch out, baby. I put my bag there. Maybe that'll keep it.
Yeah, it's made for moving stuff.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's
It's
nice.
for.
And for people.
People can use it too. Okay.
Woohoo! On top of the world! Hi. Right, but I didn't get a chance to get out here earlier today to give y'all a pool report. Oh, looks like there's about 3/4 of it down. Yeah, the low end's almost done. This is the deep end. I'll give y'all a report on this tomorrow. Hey, you can actually see the bottom there. I can even step on the lower step too. Now that's a setup. Hey guys, if y'all like these kinds of videos, click on that subscribe button down below and then hammer the hell out of that bell and you'll get email notifications that I've uploaded a video. And if you want to be a Lone Star Rider insider and a supporter, click on that button right there and check out my Patreon site. If you like this video, give it 2 thumbs up, share, comment, catch y'all on the road.
Are you recording this whole thing?
Yeah.
LOL.
LOL. I won't use all of it. I just use.
I know. I think it's just funny.
I will use that LOL part.